Hey everybody, it's Missy with Southern Theory Designs, and today I am going to show you a hack of a tumbler that we did a couple days ago, the Leopard Print tumbler, and I found an even easier way to do it. Insane easy. So what I'm going to be using today is a Hog 20 ounce skinny. So this is what it is. I sanded it and I prepped it with this. You see it? Amazing. So it's spray paint, but it's glitter spray paint. And I wasn't sure how it was going to come out, so I spray painted it earlier today before it got dark. And let me show you this. Because the other day, I actually had to do the epoxy method with gold glitter, and this is what the spray paint, gorgeous. And it's dry, and there's no lumps or bumps, so it's nice and pretty flat. It's going to be so much easier to work with on this leopard print. The other things that you're going to need is Mod Podge. I use 2 different shaped paintbrushes, a little cup for my Mod Podge. I'm using Recollections Chestnut Brown for the interior part of the cheetah print. And I'm using Glitter Glam's Black Beauty Black, which is a little holographic, but I thought it would be really pretty. So we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn my camera down so you can see. So sorry for any fingers in the way. You can see I'm using my new 4-cup spinner. Sorry if it's bouncing around. So we're gonna take our Mod Podge and open it. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make spots. But what I've decided to do after I did my first one, I want to leave a spot to put a name. And for that, you're going to need painter's tape. And that's the one thing I didn't bring with me. Give me just 1 second. So I'm going to use the bigger painter's tape, and I'm going to mark off an area so I know, and I'm just going to put it on gently. And I don't want it too sticky, so I'm going to stick it to myself, just in case it pulls up any of my spray paint. This is just a reminder from me not to put any spots there. I think I might want to have to use 2, because that doesn't look big enough for a name. So let's do 2. Okay, so that's where I'm not going to, let's see if you can see it. That's where I'm not going to put anything on it, so I can have room for a name on there. And the other day when I did it, I had to keep going over and adding more spots to it. So today, hopefully, I've learned enough to put the appropriate amount, that's my husband over there, to put the appropriate amount on here, because I had it so sparse, I had to keep going back. You're going to take a bigger paintbrush and just dip it in your Mod Podge. And these are going to be your brown spots. Okay. And you don't need a whole lot. I'm going to come back here and steal some. If you don't like where you put your spots, that's fine. Just go back over it and with some paper towel and some water and just remove it. And you can stretch out some of my paintbrush coming off, but you can stretch out some of your spots however you want. Remember, nothing in nature is perfect. And you're going to take your brown, and I always use a plate underneath so I can catch it. And you're going to sprinkle your brown. I'm not even going the whole dot. And just tapping it off. And we'll let it come around so you can see what it looks like. It's a little uniform for my taste, so I'm going to add one right here. And then we're gonna keep going around the cup. I thought I would show you that hack that I found online that I thought was like, how awesome is this? It's spray paint, and you see what we got out of it. Turns out to be really pretty finish on it. Probably not the best leopard print you ever saw, but man, look at the finish, the glitter. It looks amazing. Maybe I should shine my light up here. Nope, that might be too much. But yeah, so this will look really good with a black and brown name right here. Like that, in a real cool font and everything. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me while I tried to do the leopard print again. I think it's okay. I don't think it's too bad. We'll see. Maybe it'll sell. Maybe it'll get stripped and we'll try it again. This cup personally has been stripped a lot. We're not telling anybody. Anyways, it's kind of like my practice cup. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today and excusing the no makeup look. Go have some fun. Go make something fun and cool. I think this is really cool. And hack it out, man. Hack it out. Have a good day. Bye.